know the difference between the mains and the rods because the mains are gonna have an offset groove. You just wanna give them a quick little clean off before you install them on the back side at least. I wouldn't suggest putting any lubricating oil behind it because you need these to stay in place. And when you're checking your thicknesses, your tolerances, it can potentially change that tolerance. So I just put them in dry. I'll lube the inside, not the back side. Freshly cleaned and polished crank.